Hi, good afternoon, it's Mark here from Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. Just wanted to share with you this lovely Audi Q3 1.4 TFSI S-Line. It's just actually landed into stock. So recent part exchange to us, but again, just wanted to show off its overall condition. And by all means, if there are any further questions after seeing this, please do give us a call on 01423 33 1133. So the vehicle itself is a 2017 67 plate, finished in Mythos Black metallic. It's the 1.4 TFSI, 150 PS. A few small additional things there. So you've got the colour-coded honeycomb front grille there, which is also seen on the RS. Nicely finished off there with the vehicle itself. Privacy glass from the B-pillar back. The vehicle itself currently has 40,749 miles. Condition-wise, interior, it's been very well looked after for its age and mileage, as you can see. Again, you've got heated front seats there, dual climate control. Also has SD card navigation. Folding door mirrors. Always a nice sign of a vehicle that's been looked after. To be fair, it comes in with no blemishes or anything on the alloy wheels, which is always a nice thing for any potential buyers looking at it. The advert itself will be going live this afternoon. As I say, just really to give an idea of what the car's actually like in the flesh. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to hearing from you soon.